Hi and welcome back to another Data Hub training course video. We're going to continue right where we left off on creating our just demo report. So we'll come over here to reference and we're going to start working on our formula. So equals SL and we're going to use campaign performance group by. So we're going to use a VLOOKUP like we did before. We'll come over here, we'll reference selector, come back over, select this, true and false, which is great. And then sometimes it likes to think we're still in that VLOOKUP even though we've closed it out. Usually when you click enter and go back into it, it works. So come back in here, date range, perfect. Date range, we're just going to select that cell that we want. Now you'll notice that the format is different than we originally specified. And so sometimes you've got to put in a text formula. Super easy. Text just tells us, or the formula, kind of what format we want to use. So in this case, we want to do year, 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 month, month. Perfect. Let's see. There we go. That should tell us, or that should tell it to only pull in from March, or from April, excuse me, which it does. Now we want to include our columns. So really quickly, let's come back over here. We want impressions, clicks, CTR, conversion rate, and then I'm not sure, we might need to use a different formula for this, so I'll show you where to find that information. So let's come back over here and let's add those columns. Okay, so I've added a few of our columns here. We've got impressions, clicks, click-through rate, and then orders for 30 days. That's our conversions. So the only other thing here we need to do is we need to sum the amounts, right? We've got all this data, kind of is hard to understand. So what we really want to do is we'll come in here. Let's see, let's go like this. What we want to do is we want to group by month. If we group by month, then we're going to get all of this data onto the same row, same line, and it's going to be aggregated. So let's try that. Perfect. So this is showing us our impressions, our clicks, our click-through rate, and our conversions for the month of April, the month we've selected. Now, it's really easy to come back in here and start filling out our formula. So impressions, we just want that to be equal to this tab. Clicks, we want that to be this right here. Click-through rate, get that right here. And then conversions. Now conversion rate is just simply the, let's see, it should be the conversions over the clicks. So it should be pretty simple. Conversions divided by clicks. And again, we can change the format of these however you'd like. Makes it a little better. Now, the buy box percentage and the page views, those are things that we cannot get from our campaign performance group by formula. So we'll need to use a different formula for those. Those can be found in the Amazon traffic group by formula. So again, we're going to use a VLOOKUP. Same deal. We want to select this right here. References. Let's get these right here. We want, let's see if we can't get our date range here. And we'll do this again. Text. Month. Let's do that for now. Let's see if we're getting data. Perfect. We're getting it from April, which is perfect. That's the month we've got selected. Then what we want to do is we want to pull in some columns. Now, what did we say that we needed? We needed buy box and page views. So let's get that. Let's get page views and buy box, and I should be able to come in here and make sure that I can get the right thing. So let's put in buy box percentage. Okay, perfect. And then, like the last formula, we want to group by month so that we can get this aggregated data. Month, perfect. Give it a second. There we go. Which is awesome. So we'll come back over here. Page views is equal to this number, and buy box is equal to this number. There you go. So very quickly, using a couple of formulas, I was able to get all this data in. Now, the way to test if this works, this is the moment of truth, is if we select a different month, what happens? Should load for a second, and it populates with the data from May, right? So I could come to March if I wanted. Again, there you go. Right? So we have finished our demo report, right? I could also select a different marketplace if I wanted. Same deal, which is awesome. So that was the second part of our demo report. Thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps. That should start to get the ball moving, kind of get those ideas flowing in terms of what's available, what's possible, and what kind of data we can pull into a report. So have a good one.